Um, I think I'm gonna play you guys the song from yesterday because I didn't play it. You know. But yeah, I'm gonna play the song from yesterday, and then we get on to business. We're making new hit. So yeah, this is the song that we did yesterday. Done is finished, so we're gonna do it today again. We gonna do it again. Do it again. Yeah, you know what yeah. Boy. Take your time, nigga. We live. Work hard. Based on the evidence, I'm like a go-kart. A go-kart, yeah, you forget that I am a Mozart. A Mozart. Basically, I am the most art. The most art. Yeah, working on beats and constantly making a shit and honestly, everything that I've been working on, yeah, that shit is a part of me. Advocating for the same shit, but that shit is not side of me. If you wanna be ahead of the game, then you gotta learn to be, cause I'm one of the best. To be a pessimist, I like it when you niggas go to here with optimists. I miss defining the laws of nature and paying the cost to make. I am the Zeus you wish to be, but you just like in the same heart.
Joking, joking. Have you noticed? If you a clown, then you never really focus. Is you joking? Joking. Have you noticed? If you a clown, then you never really focus. And best to make demo. You need proper execution, half stepping, hell no. For time best to make demo. You need proper execution, half stepping, hell no. Hell no.
Lamborghini motion. Into action when I'm bagging money, bitches purpose. Lamborghini motion, always seize the moment. Into action when I'm bagging money, bitches purpose. Like I'm token or I'm tech nine. Is it money moments? No, it's dead time. I'm a bad influence straight to your ears like a Sir Juice when it's bedtime. Not a Gemini, that's a bad sign. Not like y'all with your bad vibes. My jinx, y'all not an anarchist, but a vendor guy with just rap rhymes. I'm Lamborghini motion, always seize the moment. Into action when I'm bagging money, bitches purpose. Lamborghini motion, always seize the moment. Into action when I'm bagging money, bitches purpose.
Is you joking? Joking. Have you noticed? If you a clown, then you never really focus. Is you joking? Joking. Have you noticed? If you a clown, then you never really focus. For time best to make demo. You need proper execution, half stepping, hell no. For time best to make demo. You need proper execution, half stepping, hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
This was made yesterday, so I'm making a new one today. I hopefully am gonna make this quickly so it doesn't take like 3 or 4 hours. But yeah, let's get to business by fear too. Session in an inch. I don't know what beat I'm gonna choose, but I'm gonna choose a beat that is really good and simple that I'm gonna kill and make a good song right now today by feet. Let's do this. All right. By the way, I'm using Adobe Audition 20 to record my vocals, and when I am making the beats, I use FL 20, so it's like 2020. You know what I mean? But yeah, let's get a beat, man. Let's get a beat. Let's get a beat in this thing. Let's hear the first one if it. Ooh, 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 hey, ooh. God damn. By the way, don't be afraid. What broke the fourth wall? Sorry, man. Hey, sorry, man. But yeah, CA is not here today, but I think he's on his way. And yeah, man, let's do this. I think I like this one, Fitz. We could make a hit with this one. We could make a hit with this one. What should I call it? What should I call this one? Something crazy, right? Like something really fucked up. And the other thing that always gets me is that I cannot cuss. You know how hard it is for a person like myself to not cuss? It's very hard, bro. But yeah. Location vibes. Let's just say location vibes. Location vibes, baby. Location vibes. Any of y'all like live in the location? Salam. Salam, my brother. Welcome to the stream. I make songs every day until 10K. If you are new, please subscribe. There's so much content on this channel, and I do not want to waste time just like blah 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 blah. So let's get to work. Let me just insert the beat, the tempo. Tempo is 1. That's wrong. 125. Oh, what you guys feeling? Should I do like an R&B vibe, or just rap on this shit? Someday I'll be all over. Someday I'ma be all alone. Keep it down and I'm sitting in the west side and I'm in it alone. I wanna be a running alone. Young nigga with a lot to be on for. Yeah, we done be out in we get it out in see the niggas are back at the love in the mind. And then I wanna go get it like nigga, you better be. Yes. I gotta get. Oh, all right, let's go. She said, I be around all the last in the mind. I be around in the last in the line. I be around if I don't wanna go get it, I lie. I be live for you, baby. Yeah. What's up, people? Okay, G major. I be alive, oh yeah, na na na. Let's see. We got occasion vibes, baby talking real sometimes. We got location vibes, real sometimes. And I be on it, keep it alone, keep it alone, keep it alone with me now, keep it alone.
I gotta tighten that shit up a little bit more. You know, just make it, you know, tight with that compressor. I use waves. Let's hear how it gets out. Cause I gotta hear how it sounds.
We got occasion vibes. Baby talking real sometimes.
Nope, mine.
We got location vibes. Real sometimes. And I'll be on it. Keep it alone, keep it alone.
Let me just get the key. The key's wrong, man.
We got occasion vibes. Baby talking real sometimes. We got.
Alright.
We got occasion vibes.
Bye.
Sometimes.
Time.
We got location vibes.
Location vibes. It's like saying that a girl is like too ghetto, or location is like saying like a girl's too ghetto or too, you know, gassy for you. So she's got location vibes. A gassy, a location. That's what I'm trying to say with this one. But yeah, let me try and get some vibes to it.
We got occasion vibes. We got occasion vibes.
Tryna ruin my life.
Occasion vibes.
Shawty tryna ruin my life. We got occasion vibes. Same vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my vibe. We got occasion vibes. She said that I'm a hit tonight. Alright, alright. Woo! Oh man. Sometimes you gotta be in your feelings with these fucking tunes, bro. Woo! Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, I'm thankful for the gift, bro. Thankful for the gift. You don't just do this for no purpose at all. It's a gift from God, bro. Not a lot of people can do this. Let's hear it.
Occasion vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my vibe. We got location vibes. She said that I'm a hit tonight. Alright, alright.
Woo! I gotta hit that right? Gotta do that right.
We got occasion vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my vibe. We got location vibes. She said that I'm a hit tonight. Alright, alright.
I can do better. I can do better. Occasion vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my life.
We got location vibes.
Shawty said I'll hit tonight. Shawty said.
We got location vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my life. We got location vibes. Shawty said I'm here tonight.
All right, I'm gonna try and like do it better. She's got location vibes. Yeah, she got location vibes. Shawty's tryna ruin my mind. Woo.
Yeah. She got location vibes.
Shawty's tryna ruin my life. She's got location vibes. You're trying to ruin my life. Yeah, she's got location vibes. Shawty's trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. Ooh. Shawty's trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. First take, right? Okay. Yeah. She's got location vibes. I'm in love. Boy, you better run away. Boy, you better run away. Boy, you better run away. Ah, yeah. Close. She's trying to. I think I should like make that back up or something. Try and do another one. Yee! Yee! Boy, you better run away. Boy, you better run away. Boy, yeah. Woo! Alright, let me just hear that. Let me hear that. Shawty's trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. Alright. Oh shit. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. Shawty's trying to ruin my night. Alright. Close, but not close enough. Let's go. Ah, yeah. Close. So beautifully close. Ah, yeah. Beautiful. Gotta do that a few more times. And then we got it on our. Boy, you better run away. Boy, you better run away. Ah, damn, that is so wrong. Ah! So wrong. Ah! Ah, 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 yeah. That's beautiful. I like that. Let me just. Ah, yeah. Ooh. Shawty trying to ruin my life, but I'm hitting this one. Ah, yeah. 20s. Think yeah, that much is cool. Well, you better run away. But 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 you better run away. I close. We are almost there. We're almost there to a hit sensation. Boy, you gotta run away. Boy, you better 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 run away. Ooh, ooh. God damn. Mm, mm, mm. Two more. Boy, you better run away. 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 With the you gotta tighten that shit.
Yeah, she's got location vibes. Why you better trying to ruin my life? Why you better she's got location vibes. Started trying to ruin my night.
Okay. I can feel that shit going on. Yeah. She's that classy type of girl that you give that and let them on. I'ma sit it like a pack of San Antonio. You and niggas wanna bet it like them on. I'm back. Get it why? Sit in time, but the niggas wanna get up in their lines. I'm sit in time, but you better run like I had to find. But the niggas in the San Antonio, show you how to be around. You niggas are making arms and a bomb. The vibes is always it has to be like real good, bro. The vibes has to be real good. So if she got that location vibes, you're in trouble, bro. And then kids crying in the streets, bro.
Yeah, she's got location vibes. Why you better trying to ruin my life? Why you better she's got location vibes. Started trying to ruin my night.
I'ma do a verse. psycho chick trying to ruin my life, trying to ruin my vibe, trying to ruin my sight. Yeah, we talked about it, baby girl. Woo. Don't be your crazy in this. Don't be your crazy in this town. Don't be your crazy in this town. Shit is unfortunate. I really thought you were the one. Shit is unfortunate. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. Shit is love. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. And the niggas are better than sitting on taking a turn. And they're sticking a turn. Woo! Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. I've been on the side of the niggas are sitting a turn. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. I've been living in it ain't sound like I taking a turn. Man, I thought you were the one. Then the niggas are packing on ain't sounds. Man, I thought you were the one. But I thought you were one. I thought you might meet the parents by a dot. But goddamn, you just holding a ton. Man, I thought you were the one. I thought you might meet the parents by goddamn, you just holding a ton. I thought you might meet the parents. Nah, you know it's not right. Man, I thought you were the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you were holding a ton. And I thought you were one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you're just holding a ton. Ugh. Close. Man, I thought you were the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you're just holding a ton. You're just holding a ton. You were one. You're just holding a ton. Ooh, so close and you're unfortunate. Man, I thought you were the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. And the niggas are saying like, oh, being with none in the man. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Shit is unfortunate. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. The parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. My feelings for you just go. The parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. My feelings for you were just made it up. My feelings for you you just holding a ton. My feelings for you just made me go. My feelings for you just made me all cussed down and up. Holding it down. My feelings for you just made me gonna the bag and the down. Woo! The fact that I'm doing this alone without no engineer, I just do this shit by myself. But it has to be like this. Sometimes you just gotta do your shit by yourself, you know. Plus, you learn a lot when you know a lot. Tan, you're just holding a tan. I've been around the world, you know you. Woo! Alright, let me just hear from the top and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, she's got location. Yeah, she's got location vibes. She's got thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton.
Alright, let's go. We got a few more bars to do and then do some backups and we got a hit. We got a hit!
I thought you might meet the.
Goddamn, you just holding a ton. Thinking about there you go, just minute. You just have them for some reason you're high.
I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton.
Goddamn, thinking about a better
Woo. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton.
Living with me is just. Goddamn, you. Living with me is different, man. Oh, damn. Living with me is so different. Living with me is tough. Living with me is tough. Living with me is so tough. God damn, you just holding a ton.
I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton.
Yo, what up? Yo, what up, baby? What's up, G? Pull through.
I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton.
Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, I'm taking my vibes away, but goddamn, I'm like. Alright, let's go. Parents, but goddamn, you just holding the sun. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, that you know I'm a. The sun, taking my vibes away, but damn, I'm. The sun, taking my vibes away, but God, I'm just holding them down. Oh yeah. I'm just holding the time, taking my vibes away, but goddamn, I just. Let me tell you a bunch. Alright, let's go. A ton, taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you how it is. Let me tell you what's going on. I'll be there tomorrow. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Respect, I got you. Keep grinding. I'm sure you're grinding as hell, bro. Where you at? So keep grinding, my G. I'll see you tomorrow. I'ma hold you on that. Let me tell you how the name. Let me tell you what get in this get the fountains. Let me enter the bond of them. But goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you what. Respect, bro. Respect. Shout out AV. This is the guy that I always work with. He's in my my chats right there. So shout out to him. Subscribe to him. He's one of the greats. We did a song yesterday, day 2 of this stream. And yeah, I played it for you guys in the beginning of this thing, so it's gonna be fire when it comes out. But yeah, let me just finish this one. Eric Focus it up. Peace, my G. uh, Bunch. Let me tell you the location on there. Let me tell you the beginning. Let me tell you the motion. God damn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you the motion and season. Maybe again. Maybe you let me tell you the motion. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a bunch of these niggas and regular niggas are set in the tongue. God damn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a bunch of bunch. Let me tell you a bunch of things that I gotta be wrong. Damn, shut up. Shut up, G. Tell you a bunch. Let me tell you the story. Let me tell you let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you the story of Kasi. Let me tell you what story of Kasi. Survivor. Oh my God. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about Kasi. When niggas don't give it. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about Kasi. But let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being Kasi. Being a Kasi. Niggas don't care for you. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being in the location. Niggas are, and niggas are taking the hunch. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being in the location getting your ass in a and getting your bunch. Let me tell you what got in and getting your ass in a bunch and taking a tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being in the location. Tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being in the location, being in the Kasi and niggas be taking a bunch. Let me a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being location. Tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story. Bunch. Let me tell you a story about being location, being a Kasi chick and tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being and being a Kasi chick and taking a. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a Kasi chick and taking a bunch. All of them niggas are packing the bean and singing songs. Damn, let me tell you a bunch. Close. We're there. Let me tell you a goddamn. Let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a Kasi chick and taking a bunch. Goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a Kasi chick and taking a bunch. Kasi chick and taking a bunch. And taking a punch. A couple of your homies don't even care about you. You know, give me a punch. A couple of your niggas don't even care about you. They just give me a punch. A couple of your getting a punch. A couple of guys don't care about you. Don't care about your niggas. Taking a punch. A couple of guys don't care about you. Taking a punch. A couple of guys don't care about you. This is simple now. This is eating infinite. And yo, a couple of guys taking a punch. A couple of guys just. A couple of guys don't care about you. This is a punch. A couple of guys just in there. Just a couple of guys. Let me hear it from the start. A couple of guys just. The one I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. My vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a Kasi chick and taking a bunch. Taking a bunch. A couple Kasi niggas don't even care.
bunch. Start popping, I got the check and taking a bunch. A couple guys. Getting taking a bunch. A couple guys together, niggas don't give a damn. Niggas just and taking a punch. I take a bunch. Got the check and taking a bunch. But you did. This is holding up. Taking a bunch and a couple gussy chase. Don't even care about you. This is holding a grudge. They're just holding a grudge. Holding a couple gussy chase. Don't even care about you. They're just holding a grudge. Holding a bunch. A couple gussy kids don't even care about you. They're just holding a grudge. Holding a punch. A couple gussy chicks don't even care about you. They're just holding a grudge. Getting a punch. A couple gussy chicks don't even care about you. They're just holding a grudge. They're just holding a bunch. Woo! Grudge. They're just making it. They just made it for what they. Grudge. They're just making it. They're just making it. They're just taking the. They're just taking the best. I mean, the niggas have gotta get big in the time. They send it for the like a niggas in the time. I'm gonna get it like nigga be back in the scene of niggas. So far, this is what we have. She's got location vibes. Status trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Status trying to ruin my night. Shit is unfortunate, man. I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a gussy chick and taking a bunch. A couple gussy chicks don't even care about you. They're just holding a grudge. They're just making the things every niggas wanna get back and they're taking a song. Wanna get a pack and they're sending a ton. Alright. So far, is it fire? Woo! Yeah, she's got location vibes. Status trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Status trying to ruin my night. Shit is unfortunate, man. I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn. Bro, you missed out on that hit, bro. This one is a hit, but I'm gonna leave a verse for you, bro. I'm gonna leave a verse for you. You're gonna kill this one, I know. Definite. If we care about you, they're just holding a grudge. They're just holding a. They're just holding their speed. They're just holding their speed like, yeah, baby, you the one. They're just holding their speed like, yeah. Bunch. They're just holding their speech like, yeah, baby, yeah, you the one. They're just taking in a grudge. They're just holding their speech like, man, yeah, the nigga the one. They're just holding their speech, that old ass speech like, man. They're just holding the bunch. They're just holding their speech like, yeah, my boy. Yeah, man. This is holding the grudge. They're just holding the beat. They're just holding the old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. They're just holding the grudge. They're just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. I think you're the good nigga singing on me.
The grudge. They're just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. I think you're the because it's and I think it's so fast and pinning along. I sit in a like I'm sitting on alone. I won't be good. On the side of the sitting in down and bending a nigga by ass, sitting in there, sitting in bed, sitting in bed, sitting in bed, sitting in water, and then it's out and then sitting in water, and then ah, 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 yeah. I'ma do that, bro. I'ma do that. You gonna kill this one, I know. Definite.
Shades don't even care about you, they're just holding a grudge. They're just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one.
I think you might make my dreams come true. Like, keep it up, let it up. You ever have like a song where you just do one rhyme and it just sounds right? I'm do that right now.
Shades don't even care, I think you're the one.
I think you're the one that make. I think you might make my dreams come true and keep it on the way. I think you're the one that makes my dream come true and taking on time. I pick it up, something that together like nigga, you picking the song. I wanna answer my. So far, one. I think you're the. I think you're the one of them. I think you're the one. You're the one. I think you're the one that got. One. I think you're the one that gonna make the. I think you're the one that gonna. I think you're the one that's gonna make it. It's like yesterday, bro. Yesterday I was on fire. I started slow and I was on fire. When I started to be on fire, it was like 2 bars left, and I was like, ah man, just when I get that heat, bro, just when I'm like tapped in, the verse is short. Which is crazy. Which is crazy. But we got this. We got this. We got this. All right, let me just give it one more listen and just come up with it.
Yeah, she's got location vibes. Shawty's tryna ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Shawty's tryna ruin my night. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a gussy chick and taking a bunch. A couple gussy chicks don't even care about you, they just holding a grudge. They just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one.
I think you might make it out. I think you might make. I think you might make it out of ghetto, innit?
Yeah, boy.
I think you might make it out of ghetto.
Yeah, boy, I think you're the one.
One. I think you might make it out of ghetto. When damn, I just wanna be one. The one. I think you might make it out of ghetto. Damn, I'm up here. One. I think you might make it out the ghetto. God damn, I just wanna be one. The one that you think about. The one you gotta get and sit down. One of you gotta get sitting down. I think you're the one. I think you might better gotta get on one. Damn, I just wanna be one. Weak. I think you're the one. I think you might make it out the ghetto. God damn, I just wanna be I just wanna be the. Think you're the one. I think you might make it out the ghetto. God damn, I just wanna be one. I just wanna be one. I think you might make it out the ghetto. God damn, I just wanna be one. One. I wanna be one. I be one. I think you might make it out the ghetto. God damn, I just wanna be one. Think you're the one. When the day one. Think you're the one. I think you might make it out of get on. Goddamn, I just wanna be one. I just wanna be one. Just wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but or maybe they're two. As long as I wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I'm cousin. I just wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I know Bob ain't gonna be one. You gonna have it. Wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I know my nigga, you gonna be it's gonna be fun. Wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I know my nigga, we're gonna have fun. You're gonna be fun. I just wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I know my nigga, we're gonna have fun. That's when your soul is lost in the sun. And that's when your soul is lost in the sun. And that's when your soul is lost in the sun. And that's when your soul is gonna be fun. And that's when your soul is lost in the sun. We're gonna have fun. And that's when you're gonna be fun. And that's when you're lost in the sun. We're gonna have fun. And that's when your soul in the sun. And that's when you lose it. Fun. And that's when you lose your son. You're gonna lose your soul to the sun. And that's when you lose your soul to the sun. And that's when you lose your soul to the sun. Gonna have fun. And that's when you're gonna lose your soul to the sun. Basically, I'm trying to say, like, this Han is like really good at being persuasive and manipulative, and this chick is gonna like manipulate you so much that you would say yes to everything. And it starts off easy, like really easy. She's gonna buy you this and buy you that and give you this and give you that. You might even tap it on the first night, bro. You might even tap it on the first night. And then later on, she's gonna be like, bro, I'm down with you. This and this and this. You kind of been like really slow for me. That's when she's got you, bro. That's when she's got you. Because you're gonna be like, nah, babe, you don't understand. You see, at work, it's like really hard. And, I'm trying to survive and all that. And then when you like desperate and you like acting like, you know, she's gonna be like, I got him. Because you're gonna start proposing, you're gonna start, investing in her, buying a house, all that shit. So this song's like basically saying when she's got location vibes, when uncles do this, when she's got location vibes, she's wrong, bro. Let's go. Nigga, we're gonna have fun, and then you're gonna lose your soul to the sun. We're gonna have fun, but that's when you lose your soul to the sun. You're gonna have fun, but that's when you lose your soul to the sun. We're gonna have fun. That's when you lose your soul to the sun. We're gonna have fun. That's when you lose your soul to the sun. Alright. Alright, the verse is done. Hopefully done. Hopefully done. Fun. And that's when you go to the soul to the sun. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, let me just do this quickly so we can play the whole thingy. The whole thingy. Vibes. She's got location vibes. Shawty tryna ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Shawty's tryna ruin my life. You know those guys with that like over exaggerate the harmonies. Shit is so hazardous. Copy. Paste, baby. Paste, baby. Baby. So we can hear the full song. It's not actually the full song because AV is gonna like hop on this one. I'm gonna save a spot for him on this. So a lot of people are gonna be like, are you gonna be able to like make a song every day? Like every day? Is that even possible? Well, if life matters don't disrupt this like crazy shit that I'm doing, then yeah. Cause I have time, bro. I got time today, bro. I got time. But overall, if everything works out, like if I don't have anything to do, or if I'm not shooting the living room experience, or if I'm not shooting a music video, then I'm recording every day. So it's like a win-win for me. You know, some people just love, seeing craft being made live in the moment. All right, right there. Almost there, guys. Hold on for just a little bit. I'm gonna give you the whole thing immediately. Yep. Select all, lock in time, and then sounds good. Location vibes, baby. Woo. Yeah, gotta take that up a little bit. So, boy, you better run away. Boy, you better run away. She's got location vibes. Yeah. And then put another one at the end. It's gonna be a fire song. Just a few minor adjustments. And yeah. All right. Control all. Lock in time. Is the tune? Yeah, the tune is the same. Ooh, Chavo. Y'all remember Chavo? One of the greatest. Well, it's debatable. Let's just say it's debatable that he's one of the greatest wrestlers. But his brother was an entertaining person to like watch, which is Eddie Guerrero, one of the best wrestlers that I've ever seen. Eddie Guerrero. I lie, I cheat, I steal. That was his mantra, the mantra. So Should I like do backups? Let's hear it for now.
Yeah, she's got location vibes. Status tryna ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Status tryna ruin my night. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a gossip chick and taking a bunch. And for gossip chicks don't even care about you, they're just holding a grudge. They're just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. I think you might make it out to get them, goddamn, I just wanna be one. Or maybe they're two, but I know my nigga, we're gonna have fun. Yeah, that's when you lose your soul to this location vibes. Status tryna ruin my life. She's got location vibes. Status tryna ruin my night.
And that's the part of C AV. Yeah. The only part that is left right now is like me doing the backup, so I'ma fly on those right now immediately so we can have like a fully polished verse. There are parts that I'm like uncertain of, but let's go, man. Let's go. Let's work on this.
Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the parents, but goddamn, you just holding a ton. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a gossip chick and taking a bunch. A couple gossip chicks don't even care about you, they're just holding a grudge. They're just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. I think you might make it out to get them, goddamn, I just wanna be one. Or maybe they.
Alright, let's get those. Let's get those.
Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might.
Let's do this. Fortunate. One. Goddamn. Done. Bunch. Bunch. Grudge. One. One. Fun. Ooh. I, G. I see you. I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do. One. Done. Fortunate. One. Fortunate. One. Goddamn. Done. Fortunate. One. Goddamn. Done. Ooh. Shit is so fire. A little bit so fire, but I need to like work on it so that it's like polished, studio ready. Studio ready. Fortunate. One. Goddamn. Done. Okay. Fortunate. One. Goddamn. Done. Bunch. Grudge. One. Fun. One. Woo. Done. Woo. I like that. Sounds nice. Alright, I gotta like Puff it up around here. My baby, my baby. God damn. Done, done. God damn. Done. Okay. God damn. Done, done. Bunch. Bunch. Grudge. One. One. Fun. Alright. I'm gonna have like 2 of those ones. That's the first one. God damn. Dun, dun. Not so late. God damn. I'm not. God damn. Dun, dun. Bunch. Bunch. Grudge. One. One. Fun. Woo! Oh, oh man. Making music is fun, bro. Woo! Goddamn. Done. Goddamn. Bunch. Done. Goddamn. Done. Bunch. Goddamn. Bunch. 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 Goddamn. Bunch. Bunch. Goddamn. Bunch. Bunch. That is terrible. Goddamn. Bunch. Bunch. Beautiful. Goddamn. Bunch. 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 Brunch, bunch. Taking a bunch, brunch. Bunch, bunch. Bunch, bunch. Bunch, bunch. Bunch, bunch. Bunch, bunch. Grudge, grudge. Woo. Grudge, grudge. Grudge, grudge. Grudge, grudge. Nope. Grudge. Grudge, grudge. Grudge, grudge. Grudge, grudge. Grudge, scratch. I think you don't want. 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 I think. Think you don't want one. I think you don't want. So fucking late, bro. Like, ah. One. I think you don't want one. 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 Who that? Who that, G? Who that? Who said that? Who said that? One. Be one. 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 I know my nigga, I'm gonna be one. I know, gonna be done. I know my nigga. I know my, gonna be done. Okay. I know my nigga, gonna be fun. I know my, gonna have fun. I know man. I know man. Gonna have fun. I know man. Gonna have fun. So late. I know man. Gonna have fun. I know man. I know man. I know man. Gonna have fun. I know man. Gonna have fun. Woo! Huh. Backups, man. Backups, just a lot of harmonies, but we are almost there. Ooh. Goddamn! Goddamn! Just that goddamn fed. Goddamn! Goddamn! Ooh, so close. Ugh. Goddamn! Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, close that. I don't like that. Goddamn! Woo! Should I play the whole thing? Let's go, man. Let's go. All right. So I don't know. Let me just show you guys. Ish. Let me just do this first. Save. All right. Let me just show you guys a Gucci where we at. So this is basically like the whole thing that I was just doing right now. So let me just try and play the whole thing, the whole thing. By the way, I am using Adobe Edition, and when I make my beats, I make them with FL Studio. So yeah, that's why this is an F. This is like a project where I use FL for like making beats, and then when we record like vocals, we record vocals on Adobe Edition 2020. So yeah, man, I think we are done with this thing. So let me just play it for the last time so we can be out. Today we today was a really short stream. So yeah. Um from the start. Let's go. What a day. Yeah, she's got location vibes. God is trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. God is trying to ruin my life. Man, I thought you the one. I thought you might meet the pants, but goddamn, you just holding the time. Taking my vibes away, but goddamn, let me tell you a bunch. Let me tell you a story about being a gussy chick and taking a bunch. A couple gussy chicks don't even care about you, they just holding a grudge. They just holding that old speech like, yeah, boy, I think you're the one. I think you might make it out to get them, goddamn, I just wanna be one. Or maybe they do, but I know my nigga, we gonna have fun. That's when you lose your location vibes. God is trying to ruin my life. She's got location vibes. God is trying to ruin my life. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So this was the song for today. I guess I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I love y'all. And peace. Enjoy the rest of your day, baby.